Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with SumUp Review My Usage Experience. SumUp Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for businesses to collect and manage online customer reviews. It aims to help small and medium-sized businesses improve their online reputation and attract more customers by centralizing review management across various platforms. Key features likely include review aggregation, response management, and potentially reputation monitoring. Their website provides details on specific functionalities and pricing plans. SumUp Review's positioning is as a streamlined solution for businesses looking to actively manage their online reviews without complex technical setups. They highlight ease of use and potentially offer transparent pricing, likely with options for various business sizes. While specific technology details aren't publicly prominent, their focus seems to be on efficient user experience and integration with popular review platforms. Availability is likely dependent on the region SumUp operates in, which you can check on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using SumUp Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. The setup process was straightforward, guiding me through connecting my business profiles on Google, Facebook, and Yelp. The interface is intuitive, with a clean dashboard clearly showing all incoming reviews. I particularly like the feature that allowed me to respond directly to reviews from within the platform, saving me time switching between different sites. The system is very responsive. I never experienced any delays or glitches. I had a quick question about integrating with TripAdvisor, and their support responded within a day via email, which was excellent. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, making it slightly inconvenient to manage reviews on the go. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with SumUp Review. The standout feature for me was definitely the consolidated view of all my reviews, allowing me to quickly identify areas for improvement and respond promptly to customer feedback. It streamlined a previously time-consuming task considerably. That's my overview of SumUp Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.